The Lincoln College of Technology in Grand Prairie, Texas. My name is Rick Calverley. I'm the Director of Education for this campus. We want to welcome you. We're going to give you a virtual tour today of our Skilled Trades campus, which is going to cover multiple different programs. Once you walk with me, and we'll take a tour of the campus. Welcome to our Learning Resource Center. This is, we also call this our web tech, so our students will have access to computers anytime they're on campus. All of these computers are set up with great resources to find for any field that they're in. We do have full audio and video capabilities in this office. You'll also see that we have a lot of books on the shelf students can use as resources, and we do have over 25 computer stations set up in this room. So this is one of our typical CNC classrooms. Like all of our other classrooms, it's outfitted with audio and video capabilities. We also have a whiteboard that the instructor can use to help with the learning process and draw things on the board. This room is used primarily for our computer-aided manufacturing programs. So with that said, we have 21 computers set up in this classroom. So students can log on from here and do their learning or their work online right here on campus. So this is one of the two 3D printers we have here at Lincoln College. This is something that you learn, some technology that will come about later in the program. This one is actually extruding plastic. It's called an additive manufacturing process, so we're adding plastic to it to create an object. But new machines that we have will actually print metal through a process using a laser. And those are machines that are becoming more and more popular in the industry. So one of the newest additions to our CNC lab is a Granger vending machine. What we have in here is all of our cutting tools and our inserts. So you see the screen, I can come to the screen and I say I need to get one of these inserts out. I press that button to issue that item out, and the vending machine will index to the right location and issue me out one of these new tools to use on my machine. It's a great addition, helps with cost savings and also with taking care of our supplies. Our CNC department also has a fully stocked crib with a lot of our tools. In this cabinet is a lot of our milling tool holders and some inspection equipment at the top. These are easily accessed and checked out through our system where you can come in and you can get the correct tool holder to use in any location. We also have a stock cabinet with more inspection tools. All of this on top is some gauge pins, gauge blocks, different sets of micrometers, calipers, anything you might need to inspect one of your parts is being made. And in these drawers we have a lot of different tools, some of our collets, some of our lathe tools and cutting tools are in this cabinet, and a variety of hand tools distributed out. So we always make sure we have enough tools on hand to supply anything you need. Our CNC lab, often we call it the machine shop because this is where all the machines are at, where they're located. It's a pretty new lab in very good condition. This is one of our VF2s, super speed machine. It's got a 5-axis trunnion on it, which means it can make very complicated parts. One of the typical examples of something you might make at this is a Lincoln bus that we made, and you notice all the intricate machining on all sides of this. This can be accomplished in one setup on this machine. This is a lathe. It's called a TL1. We have actually 4 of these lathes in stock. A typical part made on lathe is a round or cylindrically shaped part. This only moves in 2 directions, or what we call 2 axes of movement. And these are very versatile, very useful machine in the machining world. We also have 4 TM1 milling machines, which is a 3-axis machine. which means it can move up and down, right and left, and forwards and backwards. Typically in a milling machine, we make more rectangular shaped parts or we need odd shaped parts. So in this machine, we'll grab the piece of material and we'll use a cutting tool to machine all around the tool. On our Arkansas campus, we're also supported by our business and financial aid offices. My office is located right here in the front lobby. You can always find me for any help or assistance you need. And we also have a career services office. Career services is going to help you find a job as you get to the end of your program and also help you with employment while you're here coming to school if you need that. Well, we want to thank you guys very much for coming to our tour and seeing our campus, and we can't wait to see you in person.